Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and this is a product that I love from The Ordinary. This is a multi-peptide hair serum from The Ordinary. So this is a hair product, and I love that The Ordinary makes hair products. So about 6 months ago, I noticed that my hair was falling out a little bit. I thought that I'd give this a try. This helps to promote hair density. So it's a product that's so user-friendly, very easy to use. At first I was a little bit skeptical because I didn't really like the idea. You can see it's a very light serum, but it looks like an oil, and I was skeptical of putting an oil on my scalp because I didn't want it to be oily. It's not oily at all. Once you put a few drops onto your scalp and rub it in, it soaks right into your scalp. What I'll do is I'll put a few drops on my scalp and then massage it in. I can do this every day if I remember. So I've been using this for about 4 months now. Back now, I'm noticing that I don't have little hairs all over the bathroom. I'm not shedding as much as I was. So I think this has really helped. I like that it doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't make my roots feel oily, and it doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't have a smell at all. If you're looking for something for hair density, I would highly recommend The Ordinary's multi-peptide serum for hair density. I think it's a really good product. It has awesome reviews. I love it. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.